This is a neat 1931 Ford Model A pickup. Beautiful red paint with black fenders. Nice contrast. We've got some rails there on top of the pickup bed. The interior of the truck is very nice. Very plain instrument panel, typical of the Model A. Wire wheels, and we got a spare here in the wheel well. Comes in very handy. And of course the 4-cylinder engine under the hood. Very nice grille. Well done. Very basic truck. Very clean engine compartment. Looks brand new. Happens to be for sale. There's the number. And a nice picture of it. Running board is very nicely painted. Quality of the paint is excellent. And we have the tailgate down. And we see looks like a Coca-Cola cooler. Vintage for the time.